Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining site. This is the homepage of the site. You register with your phone, you put the verification code, then password. Also it needs invitation code. The link will be in description of the video. Also it have an application. You can download the application from Google Play. I already have an account. This is my account. I log in. It's simple. This homepage on account. Here the homepage. Here tasks. I have pending tasks. I have two tasks. Like you see. This is VIP level if you want to deposit and earn more. Daily earning for this level is $2. Withrow at $5. 3 days you withdraw. This is a team. The link will be in the description. This is the account. Let's do tasks. We have pending. We have two tasks. We watch 2 movies. It's simple. We watch these movies. Like you see. You can vote to be submitted. Submit commit. Good. Just do think like that. Wait until finish the task. After that you will get $1. I complete the task. We press submit. Now, like you see, completed one task. Let's see balance. It will be changed to $1. You must complete 2 tasks to get your like you see $5 payment. You must read this. Withdrawal time 2 with AM from takes 72 hours to comes to your wallet. The link will be in the description. Do tasks, or you can upgrade your account as your own risk. Like you see. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you in another mining video.